Math time na! It's me, Teacher Jane, and welcome to my channel. Interesado ka sa subject ko? Please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and click that notification bell para updated ka sa next uploads ko. For today's topic, we will be dealing with angles and angle pairs. Their common endpoint is called as vertex, while the two rays are called sides of the angle. We can name an angle by using a point on each ray and the vertex. The angle below may be identified as an angle ABC, as angle CBA, or you may also see this written as angle B and as angle 1. The vertex point is always in the middle. And sometimes angled is written as number. So in this case, angle 1. Kinds of angles. Right angles. A right angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees. Right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Between 0 and 90 degrees, an angle is called as acute angle. This angle is small and kind of cute. It looks like a V or the top of Y or the angle you see as you eat pizza. Remember, acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle measuring between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So these are the examples of obtuse angle. Special pairs of angles related by measures. We have supplementary angles and complementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles whose measures add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measures add up to 180 degrees, while congruent angles are two angles that have equal measures. What angle measure is complementary to the given angle? Okay, next. What angle measure is supplementary to the given? Next, we have special pairs of angles related by positions. These angles are adjacent angle, linear pair of angles, and vertical angles. Adjacent angles are side by side and share a common ray. So in this case, angle JAN and angle NAE are adjacent angles, and their common side is ray AN. Pwede rin, angle EAN is adjacent to angle NAJ. Pwede natin silang basahin pabaliktad, basta huwag kakalimutan na ang vertex ay laging nasa gitna. These are examples of adjacent angles. Pag sinabing adjacent, magkatabi, and they share a common side. Now, these angles are not adjacent. Another example, we have 30 degrees and 60 degrees. We can say that these two angles are complementary angles and adjacent because they share a common side. While these two angles, 40 degrees and 50 degrees, they are complementary angle but not adjacent. Next, we have 120 degrees and 60 degrees angle. These angles are adjacent and supplementary because the sum is 180, while the other two angles are supplementary but not adjacent. Linear pair of angles. A linear pair of angles are two angles that are adjacent and supplementary. A linear pair is two adjacent angles whose non-common sides form opposite rays. So dito AH ang kanilang common side, while ray HM and HT are opposite rays. Linear pair of angles, example MATH. So we have angle MAH is adjacent to angle HAT. HA is their common side, while AM and AT forms opposite rays. When two lines intersect, they make vertical angles. So vertical, it means magkatapat sila na angle. Vertical angles are non-adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines. So in this case, angle AGN and angle LGE are vertical angles. Vertical angles are congruent or equal in measure. So if in this case, we have 30 degrees, then the opposite angle or the vertical angle is also 30 degrees. So in this case, if we name the angles 1, 2, 3, and 4, angle 1 is congruent to angle 3. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 4 because they are vertical angles. Now let's have an activity. Study the given figure, then answer the questions that follows. Are you ready? Number 1. There are how many right angles in the figure? Correct. There is only one right angle, and that is angle NEW or angle WEN. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng basahing angle E kasi marami po siyang kasamang angles. Next question. There are how many obtuse angles in the figure? How many? Correct. There are two obtuse angles, and those two obtuse angles can be named as angle TEW and angle NED. So, pwede natin silang basahing vice versa. Next, there are how many acute angles in the figure? Ilang acute angles ang nakikita natin sa figure? Ayan, ganun ulit. We have two angles, angle TEN and angle WED. Again, pwede natin silang basahin as angle NET or angle DEW. Basta laging gitna ang vertex. Next, name a pair of complementary angles. So, pair, ibig sabihin kapag ini-add natin, 90 degrees ang kanilang angle. So, we have angle TEN and angle WED. Bakit? Kasi si angle NEW measures 90 degrees already. So, therefore, angle TEN and angle WED are 45 degree angles. Name two pairs of supplementary angles. So, when we add naman yung two angles, the sum is 180 degrees. So, we have angle TEW and angle WED. So, kung ano yung mga nag-form ng linear pair. Ayan. We have angle NED and angle TEN. Again, pwede ulit baliktad yung letters basta laging gitna ang vertex. Next, name two pairs of adjacent angles. Okay, adjacent, ibig sabihin magkatabi. Marami po tayong options dito. So, 2 lang ang hinihingi. So, we have angle TEN and angle NEU, angle TEW, and angle WED. Ayan. So, actually, marami pang adjacent angles tayong nakikita dyan. So, pwedeng angle DEW and angle WEN. Ayan. Next, name two linear pairs of angles. O, linear pairs, usually ang ating linear pairs are also supplementary angles. So, angle TEW and angle WED. And then, or angle angle NED and angle NET. So, yun yung ating linear pairs. So, medyo nakakalito lang pero madali lang naman intindihan. Now, let's practice.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Love when we take our time to make love. Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.